How to upload videos to your Google Drive and share it. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily upload your video to your Google Drive and be able to share it. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Google Drive sign in and make sure you are signed into your Google account on your Google Drive successfully. So once you drive in, you'll be logged into your account, your Google Drive account, and as you can see, I've already logged into my Google Drive account. So now what you can do is just click on this new. You can also either create a folder and then upload the file inside that folder, or if you choose to just upload the file, simply click on this, just click on file upload from over here. So let me just select any of the random videos. So let me just select this one. So as you can see, my video is being uploaded right now and it's being uploaded as well. So it depends upon your internet connection. So let me just reload my page as it's not showing my video over here. So as you can see, my video has been successfully created. So to share it, what I can do is simply click on this three dot icon over here and just click on share. And from over here, this is important, just click on the share. And before you completely share or copy the link, what you need to do is just make sure you turn this with anyone with a link, so that people getting this link will be directly able to view the content and download the content just like that. But if you also make sure that you haven't restricted it, they will not be able to, they will have to ask for the permission to open the file. So the other thing what you can do is just convert this viewer mode to as a viewer. If you set it as an editor, they will also be able to delete the files. So now just copy the link and click the download button. So let me just open it in my incognito mode so that people can access it just like this. So as you can see, they will be able to open my video and download my video as well, just like this. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.